Hi everybody. Today we are going to see the next one of client management is risk profiling of investors. It is very important uh, of understanding the profile of investor, and more important is risk profile. Yes, what is meant by profile? It is nothing but a star story of the investor about their passion, about their objectives, about their lifestyle, and so on. Same way, in the investment is also that investor has to undergone a risk profiling technique or risk profiling process. So, what the investor is going to learn from risk profile, or what it is going to be informed to the client manager of that particular investor, is to what type of investor is he or she. Some of the investors are coming to the market for the purpose of just they want to thrill it in the market. They have the lot amount of number of amount of money, and they have the good syndicate, and they have the good infos tips and so on. So they want to be rig the market. They are the reason why they are coming into the market. Sometimes they will be doing most, sometimes, and they will doing the business on their own. Most of the time they'll coming to the brokers. The reason why is they want to be uh, mask themselves to present it in the market. But the next level of investor are taking us, this is the a platform where they can be get the more return and make it to life more cushion, and it will be more comfortable in the future market and the future uncertainty life. The third level of investors are called it as they are not a greedy people. They are not. They are going to say that I am going to be loot the market in the some way in the matter of buying and selling of securities. They are very optimized. They are very nominal investor. They are expecting the return is very nominal, very smaller amount. They have the attitude is to be stay in the market, earn the company, earn the interest, and earn the return in so many number of years. So such type of people are there. So it is very important being advisor of themselves and being the client manager of the investor. You should know what type of investor he is. So how can I get all those things from the investor? There are the some parameters used to identify or giving the advice to the investor regarding the risk profiling are age of the person, personal income, family income, gender, number of dependents, occupation, marital status, education, and more importantly, that is the wealthiness of the particular person. And one more important info regarding about that investor is whether the investor want to be in the market is in for the short term or for the long term, because the time period is the most important one to decide that one, where I am looking forward for profit of short nature or for the long nature. So one chapel will not be shoot for everybody. It is should be the shoes can be different from person to person. Same way, the ideas are all going to be different to different persons. So the risk profiling will help the client manager to provide a secured and a successful advice to the investor who are coming to the market. So in this slide, we had a discussion regarding about risk profiling of investor. Thank you.